Guys, today I draw a cat using this cat. It's very easy and simple. Let's go. Start the. Now draw its head. Make a circle and draw its eyebrow and draw a circle. Now draw another circle. Now draw its nose. Draw number 3. Now draw its hair, ear, its V shape. Draw its body and now draw its tail. Connect the line, draw its leg and now draw its leg line. Hello guys, our drawing most of part is complete. If you love this video, please like this video. You can also share this video with your friend who love cats. You can also comment this video. If you write down your name first letter, I will draw a picture with your name first letter. Dear friend, you can send me super chat or super thanks. It will be very inspired to make a good video to me. So dear friend, you can send me super chat, super thanks. Dear guys, if you are watching this video from Facebook page, please share this video and follow our Facebook page. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy this video. Bye bye.